Welcome to the 8 Quanta Library content. Today, we'll explore the topic, what is a vendor in NetSuite? In NetSuite, a vendor refers to any individual or company from whom your business purchases goods or services. Vendors can be suppliers, contractors, consultants, or other entities you make payments to. Each vendor has a record that stores details such as name, address, and contact information, payment terms and default expense accounts, tax ID and tax-related settings, purchase history and outstanding balances, etc. To illustrate, I have a vendor record here containing detailed information such as name, email address, phone number, company name, primary subsidiary, address, and other relevant details. Vendors are linked to purchase orders, POs, vendor bills, payments, and credits. For example, here is a purchase order where the vendor name is specified. The same applies to other purchase transactions. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.